Honorable Commissioner, Okibononi Akigwaluni and Korea, Boss of Abba, Okome, Okamuta, Menua, Dalo, Onuna Balo Commissioner, Nabala Bawadikizo, Nabalo. Now, Balo for the left. Oba more than arrow. About the kingdom. Oba more than arrow. Open the leather. Then I put to God, I put to round on up. Was you look up at first to do what? I'll get it in there. Oh, your name is Ganga in the wood. Name Melo Way and Ganga on Ganga Gage above. Oh, Ganga over. Negolo way. Negolo way. Oh, come here. You are Peter Zwing. We are on Naran no now. Ojemi abaga na opota obo. Walk alone in. Dalono. Thank you.
Chiano na we ha chọrọ ikwu ana mbụ akwụgo na ngasị ndị Igbo onye nọ wee ghọta ihe a na-ekwu okwukwe mme asụọ m Igbo wee sụrụ gaba na mbụ achọrọ m iburu ekele bunye ndị niile nọ ebe a nke onye chiri ya zere mma ọba afọ n'okpuru mana m ga-ekele onye isi oche kelekwa n'ụzọ pụrụ iche Nduka Foundation onye nke kpọkọtara anyị nche ebe a n'ụwa n'ụbọchị nke taata maka nnukwuta ife a na-eme n'ụbọchị nke taata onye nye mkpọtụ ajụ onye ofu ajụjụ ndị nkụzi uche ụlọ dị ya Honestly, I'm excited to be here today. Because when I was invited for this occasion by the organizers of this event, one of the things that came to my mind, see, there is nowhere in the world where education is left to government alone. Anywhere education is left to government alone, the man or God there for the one. Obuze na ase no ife gbasalo computer na ICT bụ ife bụ isi sekpụnte eji wee mebe mmemme a etu a ga-esi wee nyere ụmụaka ya ọkachasị ndị nọ ụmụntakịrị anụnwa ka fa bido mmalụ ihe gbasalo ịpịcha kọmputa anụnwa. I told myself that I must be here. First of all, to show solidarity. Secondly, to show an appreciation and our excitement about Nduka Foundation and what it represents. So I'm glad to be here. Today I was telling my friend sitting beside me that this is the 5th place I'm going to today. And from here I will leave for Ekulobia. Because we are doing the capacity building for our literature and English teachers. So I was at the Sending of God, one of the sessions. I'm going to go to Urban, Ekulobia, from here. And we also did capacity building for our teachers on health hygiene in schools. I had to go there too. And some other places, meetings here and there. Mana I'm a celebrant on Jesus Chapel, or Jesus Chapel. Or he do of Iloneko Chalago on Jesuit Chapel. Now, I met to stop the Benny Tata, where man at the Tata Mark one easy. We really thank God for what is happening today. Like I said, it's in line with what His Excellency Chief Dr. William wants for education. Because I say that we want to give Umuakwukwo Anambra education that is globally competitive. And to have globally competitive education, you must be ICT compliant. All but I do any got ICT compliant. Makabuya laptop upon the Muhonia Kuzima Kuzi. Emahana if laptop one aboka eba. Oya goes demba. Nine Simbuna Sena Kuzi Gaka Arufuna. My here was computer how we can because the standard of our education and our children will not be higher than the standard of our teachers. Today, but like I said, it is to show my solidarity that I'm here today. It is to show our appreciation for what the Nduka Foundation is doing that we are here today. It is also to show our excitement that ICT, we are beginning to recognize that ICT, this is a motive. This time to be globally competitive. Onye obere nwa ọbụrụ ọkwọ ndị buru ebu bịa gwa anyị ha ibere ebe ime tata ka mmadụ empowerment. Osborne empowerment. Oke anụgụta oyibo ka eso kedu ihe empowerment ilo? Kọwala ihe empowerment ilo ka ị si ghọta ya. Mmemme gbasara gịnị? Ụmụ akwụkwọ. Ngwa ka nkekọ ọzọ onye ọzọ apụtasịkwara ka anyị mee mana nwa asụkọ nnukwu oyibo empowerment ya ọ nwego ndị ya adaghị ebe anyị agba ihe ọrụ oyibo akakwara aka. Gịnị ka anyị bịara ebe ime? Anyị bịara ịfụ Nduka Foundation. Ke bane.
Yeah, Empowerment by Indica Foundation.
Empowerment by Indica Foundation. Gini ko lolo tapiala ya.
Iya putara bona. Ịnwa akwụkwọ niile ga-eme meeting maka ịta ketu nweta ihe dị mma na
ọ sị na nzukọ anyị na-enwe maka etu esi mee ihe dị mma na community. Ọ try nwa m kedu ihe anyị bịara ime?
Anyị bịara ịfụ Nduka Empowerment.
Anyị bịara ịfụ Nduka Empowerment. Ọ ga-agbachapụ ihe unu na-ekwu o, na-etu anyị esi wee chịkọọla n'isi ọnụ ka o wee kwe mme. Maka na anyị ga-amanye ihe anyị bịara ime ọhịa, anyị wee malụ kedu anyị abịakwa n'ihe anyị bịara ime.
Ka ọ meela anyị ihe ọma ka obi dị ụmụ akwụkwọ niile nọ na nzu mma.
Ọ kwutekwara nke a. Kedu ihe dị mma ọ na-eme?
Ọ na-eme ọtụtụ ihe dị mma nye ụmụ akwụkwọ niile nọ na nzu.
Gịnị ka ọ bịara ime taata anụnwa?
Ọ gara ibunye ụmụaka kọmputa na ICT gadgets.
Ọ dịkwa egwu nwa ha. Na ụzọ ICT gadgets. Ọ gafeela. Tie azụ gafego.
Oyibo agwụgwọ.
Ịfọ na oyibo agwụla. Ka nnụ nke gị.
Ọ bịara ịkụziere ụmụ akwụkwọ.
Ọzọ ọbara ịkụziri ụmụ akwụkwọ.
Pụtara guys ka enye anyị gift ga-akwado anyị ka anyị wee kwudosi ike n'ihe anyị na-eme.
Very good. Ha na-agbasara nnukwu oyibo. Ka ya eme ndị a. Ha ya na ha kwete pụta. Ị ga na-encourage ụmụaka. PRO ka ebe ị nọ. Ka nwa ihe nwelu. Ka na onye gbaa bọọlụ lacha oroma. And oyibo esoro dị egwu. ICT gadgets. Ịkọ na ngwa ga-abụ nnukwu mmadụ. Ọ bụrụgodị abụrụ. Etu a ka ọ dị ụmụaka niile a. Ịfụ na oyibo ọkara. Ngwa. Ngwa eje egoro ihe. Ngwa egoro ihe. Ndị ejeze ka otu a. Ngwa agụlụpụta ebo. Na-ekene Nduka Foundation. Na-ekene ndị bịa invite m. Maka na ọ bụrụ na abịara ọgwa mmadụ ihe a na-eme. Onwe na-asị dịka ndị Igbo si aga n'ọfọ na ngo o ji ego o ji agba ama mkpakwa. Na ebe ọbụla o si eweta ihe ọbụla ọ na-eme ọ ga-esikwa etu a wee na-enwetakwa ya na mmaji pụrụ mmaji n'aha Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị.
Amen.
Ụkwụ dịkwa m n'ilo na o nwere ike mee ofu otu ka mbe prezident ka ndị ihe ọzọ ka wee wike gbazuo.
So can you never know computer sets, full set each for the 5 schools in Nri.
3 sets.
Yeah, 3 sets. All the head teachers. Big Koputan, all the head teachers. Ebuti follow my point to head teacher or headmaster or headmistress at the primary school. In Aputi follow my point to in the Jaffa primary school. They follow my point to community primary school. They follow my point to central primary school. Yes, they follow my point to then Uroj migrant school. Yes, the name of the head teacher. Nyonya first in every class 10,000. Nyonya second 7,000. Nyonya third 5,000. Then the best teacher in the school age 20,000. Then the best headmistress or headmaster age 20,000. The best teacher 20,000. Okay, all the 5 headmistresses. What's the best or the other one? So my commissioner, sir. So Kampawa's at the school one after the other. But the primary school only. Okay. Because of without and the press, because will be attention, please. Yes. Yeah. Then Central School, where are they? Then you have the one to that is why you tell you to our students. Then you have that is the Central School. Central School, where are they? Okay, I'm going to be on Community Primary School. And the president, we are hand on your neighbor's shoulder.
Look this way, madam.
In the Jaffa Primary School, where are they? And the press, because it should be recorded properly in the Jaffa Primary School. The last on the list, but the Migrant Farmers Primary School, located in Uroj Village. Because then you can ask your hands on your neighbor's shoulder. 1, 2. Yeah. People making event. So, addition to my commissioner, will thank you. And also pledge the generator set. And incidentally, I was also the chairman of the event, the inter-house event. Yeah, so the headmistress of the primary school. The primary school. And we have a special package. Okay, Adam. Yes, I have the mother of the sister, the foster mother. Very well up there. So out of the level. What we present to the generator set. On behalf of the donor, present to Yarano Bunyan, the Abu I met you at where are they? Okay, I'm going to be on Community Primary School. And the president, we are hand on your neighbor's shoulder.
Look this way, madam.
In the Jaffa Primary School, where are they? And the press, because it should be recorded properly in the Jaffa Primary School. The last on the list, but the Migrant Farmers Primary School, located in Uroj Village. Because then you can ask your hands on your neighbor's shoulder. 1, 2. Yeah. People making event. So, addition to my commissioner, will thank you. And also pledge the generator set. And incidentally, I was also the chairman of the event, the inter-house event. Yeah, so the headmistress of the primary school. The primary school. And we have a special package. Okay, Adam. Yes, I have the mother of the sister, the foster mother. Very well up there. So out of the level. What we present to the generator set. On behalf of the donor, present to Yarano Bunyan, the Abu I met you at then you will applaud for the commissioner or the sounding ovation as she leaves. I get Mary Oji
Foundation. I'm a engineer in York. But the primary school really walk 24 hours. Mwabo oba mmadu karu balende. Wese na engineer ebute lunu ya edidi fuel aya na agbanye. So na mma agbanye fuel 20,000.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You got to know it's most shopping.
Biko no bi wo san ole. Ngwe na ayonye buchuku. Ko chekwaba Nduka Foundation. Ko na aka ni o nka si na emi e ko boss. Ngwe si na Chineke ya gozie na aha Jesus.
O ti ko no no felo na aha Jesus. Go na jimiri anya jen. So MC is no representation of the I na monitor Abba with the keys. Comelo Commissioner Oji. Is your girl, ma? Yes. Mr. Chairman, my special commission. Because I call her my special commissioner. And you know why she's special to me, special to her. But one thing about her, if you're lazy, you hit her. I'll give you just all that. Hello, I'm the primary school. Big up the child Peter. I'm a roll hotel inspection. Then by 4 o'clock. I said, you're going to take this out. I'm going to finish it today. I said, I'll be back. Around 10 hours, when your mother, the inspection, no. That's how she works. You go call the actor. Yeah, call the actor. And man, no. Or see, director, tell me what you have done today to warrant your salary. I didn't tell you, oh, it was not going around to you. And that's why, from that one, the rest is history. My special one, one of my people, I love you, my dear. God bless you. And I told Honorable Commissioner, when Makusi assess schools, I told email Professor Kate Omeluhan special. The best school I buy, who I'm allowed to assess, I'll give 100,000 naira on a name. Best school, out of the 5 schools, best primary school, you will come to give them the money. And may God bless you, Lucy Akelo also. May God, look, and the governor appreciate it, not best commissioner. Today in Harvard, the best school in the world, Today Harvard. Like a hard work. Or what I'm selling. To walk. Good night, always get an hour with one girl they left. In the front again with what they call innate confidence. Or Johnny Marshall to rule back. And everybody saw on my behalf
Yes, that is special. Thank you, Honorable Commissioner. So grateful. Not the. Okay, I think in order not to disrupt it for the back, I am use school by school. Now, both the head mistress or headmaster, you have to talk together with the manager of the school, which involves some of our residents here. Then, if there's somebody amongst us, or hand over to the group. So I did a video with the primary school. So Alama Bonite, one of our sons, very illustrious. At one time, he was the principal secretary to the government of Anambra State. At a point, he was also a permanent secretary in Anambra State. Barrister of international recruit, Wunda Mochi. So, with my honor and privilege, I'm a monitor barrister, Ocean Nalo, Doctor.
Mr. Chairman, on behalf of I'm handing over this presentation to you. Both for the package, for headmaster, for students and so on. So I hand over to you to distribute to them the completion of your work, which is Yeah, congratulations. Because the manager of Central Primary School, the weather is not becoming friendly now. So on the other hand, there is no problem.
Ife engine aka ka enye etu osu wee kwesị maka na ife ọ bụ n'obi o kwesịrị ka eme enye etu ahụ osu wee buli ya n'obi o wee bụ nọọ ife a na-etinekwa ka okwu na-agba
Because Kwana can press for an active. So after yes, school. The school manager is here. Community primary school and the school
a very old school. So that over the man, I wonder who people that will be able to climate. That will be able to. So all unless you get to but one my teacher did not. My own my best. Let's give it people who know where you tell you. But when I can tell you, I'm an one of this cow, you know, the cow of the to teach talk with more out of the yellow carry all. One talk for the carry out. So we have a in the back position. And we want you look this way. Oh, sorry. And we want you.
in the Jaffa Primary School and in the Jaffa Primary School, you can make the side in the Jaffa, side in the Jaffa, emphasis.
The headmistress in the Jaffa Primary School. They're there to tell us. I'm reading after
Teacher Wokoe.
Nduka Foundation. And the buying new. When I hand you try to see over, you get to play with this idea.
Because only after, yeah, only individual. Yes. Banaka, we married my badala. So that from the country, and the migrant school, the management and the manager and the head person. Catkis. Yes. Catkis, the other keys, the ordinary. I'm a person. So I don't know anything over. You represent in the migrant school. Migrant school.
Migrant school.
Uroji.
onye kelekwa mmadụ ihe gara
Yes.
ndị nkwado unu kwadoro nwanne anyị nwaanyị na-eme nkwado
ọ na-achọ ka ọ panie. Yes. Eze mmụọ zụrụ abụrụla eze nke ndị be anyị akatakiri na-akpọ n'okete ete abụdị mkpa ebe oji ehi abaga ewu iyom.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Look, I'm at Aqua Fago.
Egwu aka ya agba.
ọba mmadụ karụ bala
Ọ na-ewere egwu aka ya agba.
Okudoleze. Okudoleze, because Kevin McKevin no
Ọ na-ewepụrụ ndị chọrọ sọpọt ibe a na-eme. Ụlọ ma na-ebutere kọmputa bunye all the schools. A na-agbụ ya fuel na-enwe repairs. Ebe a ya adọrọ ya. A na-adọrọ ya na Mbala. So ọ bụkwa na o nwere onye nwere ihe ọ ya asị.
Thank you very much.
Principals and managers, because they need attention. Very important. All the schools in Eva, they want to be in a central place. And where days, and where computer days. I am a class by class. Because I'm candy and the inclusion of an agent. And where days, I am a class by class. Oh, my, I can repair na computer will be over. I mean, maybe sometime when we're building a computer composition, can I see the phenomenon about some position? Can I know courtesy of Endoka foundation? So because all the very, very important. Then they are alone. And they are alone. But I have room. Mana military attire and someone demonstrate one thing or the other. The floor is open. Anybody telling them like I'm an chairman of an local government every represented by honorable. Okay. The chairman of local government, presented here by Honorable Madigan. Honorable as the councillor representing Reward 2 in our national local government transition. Because here ni le mere ba tata di mobi angore. Atuala manya. Ma no tutu akamputa. Awesi mu baba. Hello. Awesi mu baba. Na me representing the local government chairman. The reason why the local government chairman is doing the tata, but all for the Chenoya there, but I had a meeting knocker with the governor. That was the reason why you're doing the today. Emanozi Mozi, Asimulu, Mugwandiri, who didn't represent. Now you have an member tata, and I'm one of the eba. Now I'm going to make a thing. More report back to him. Now his own contribution must make sure that Naya to your okay. We have an ambassador education. We na Amasia so much. So now ndị ribbon they represent Anamasunu. Ona akuja. We have an emere ba tata. Okuri ne kure ba tata. Bagotara na ịkwa education. Nke ga no mu anima. Aga me burukwu etu anụnwa buchekwere chairman nke nọ n'okpuru ya na ụja adịrị ya foto chegali nke
ha na-eme ka nke onye ọbụla were nke anya nye anya okwelu nke ntị onye ntị n'aka anyị ji wee nọrọ dịka ọ na-egbu n'oge dejelu
ọnwa nke ndị be anya rize maka ndị gem 1 2 3 4 8 ka esi eme jogging mgbe anyị na-eme ma anyị na-eme ya na-ebuka onye gem
perform is self proud. It is not like this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please, sir, can we know your name, sir?
My name is Chief Pascal KK Oriki.
Please, sir, why are you here today?
Boy, I'm back.
The reason you are here today,
The little butterfly.
Clement Ndukana Wumi, Dr. Clement Nduka, and Dr. Misunduka. The Tasila for Pategufa. When some actually in a society, which we hey, Ramana, Gabo Mazi, computer man, very laudable.
Esimnaka na ọbụrụkwa n'ụsọ ọsọ ego ime ndọrọ efe anwa na nkwa ndị ji ego mana nwere ndụmọdụ na-enye ndị mmadụ gbasara anya bụ ife nwanna gị nwoke mere n'ụbọchị kịta taa.
Ndị ekpuchi ọnwa aka anyanwụ bụ ife onye nwere ego abụrụ ya ga-enye ndị nwere ego ụgbọ ego ọ na-egbu maka Chukwu nyere gị ka ihe onye ọzọ ejiri ego eje eluigwe ezi ogbe ga-eje eluigwe ụdị ife a kleba efe na-ekpochapụ njọ mmadụ mechie njọ tinyere maka ụmụaka na-enwe ahụ na-ekirite wee gbaghara onye mara asụ ya sụọ na were bere ka ezigbo ife ọ ga-adị klem na nwunye onye mee kaba ọ dị onye ahụ
anyị ekene gị onye nke bụ eziokwu bụ na o gosi na ọ bụ ezigbo nwanne merụkwa ife iji nọrọ ebe a maka eji m n'aka onwe mgbe kọmishọna anyị na-ekwu okwu kwuchie okwu ịsọpọtụ kwukwa na skuul ọnwa mere ọfụma na skuul ise bịala ebe a n'ihi nye ha 100,000 and ikwuru ya ekwu n'ihi emekwa anyị ekene gị maka na asị na ọkụ onye si eme ka ekwesị amara ya
ihe mere ya bụ na Clem bụ my senior na CKC o ji 1 year ka na CKC azụrụ anyị ọfụma kụziere anyị ka esi eme ihe abata njide support my brother and my senior.
Thank you, sir.
Na school anyị ọsọ m ga mụ gọvanọ Clem pụta almost according to senior club forever and ever ọkachị ụmụaka mụta ya ọ bụrụ onye enwe ego usoro mkparị onye nwere ego nke nwe ọgụ uche ya bụ na ego ekwere ya o jere akwụkwọ mana nwe ọgụ uche so nsọpụrụ na-akụzi
anyị ekene gị maka na o gosi na oke eji na gaba ọdọkpụrụ ka uke maka na ọka isi eme ka o si eme anyị ekene a sị na onye nwe anyị onye nyere unu eburu si wepụta ibu nji na-eme ka obodo na-adị mma na onye nwe ya na-akwụghachi unu mmaji kwa mmaji n'afọ Jizọs anyị ekene cherekwa m afa ga nwe ọzọ
itom aba odibo itom nwaanyị mba
nke ịtọ agbakọ izi agba ya mgba na abụ otu akọrọ anyị ekene gị Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother.
And sir, because I'm Fagi.
My name is Comrade Todona Namod. Bobo Kekad of Umwes Road, I'm also the chairman of Umwes Road, the Kindred, and they call the chairman of Urofolo Village. And today, then the chairman of today's occasion.
Wow. And please, sir, can you tell me the reason you are here today?
Yes, I have a very good reason to be here. In fact, what has never happened in the annals of the history of Fundre happened today. And that thing is that Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Clems of Umudia and Ekwenanekan decided to bless the trail by actually initiating and unveiling a foundation today. That foundation is geared towards educational empowerment of the children. In fact, he directed his program to cover all the 5 primary schools. He doesn't, he's a tribalized man with the wife from our back. So he decided to dish out sets of computer sets, generating sets for light, and equally prizes for various students who excelled very well in the various classes across all these 5 schools. He equally recognized all the principals for their good work. And also all the best performing teachers in his school were equally appreciated and gratified.
Please, sir, what are your prayers to him, or maybe your good wishes?
My prayer is always this. I think when I was making my remarks, I said a similar thing. My prayer is for our good Lord to continue to enlarge his schools. The entire family of Nduka family, the entire Nduka family, his own nuclear family. God should bless them with long life. They already have wealth, but wealth is not always enough. And that is why I've been able to add that because he gives out, let the God give him more than enough so that it will reach to others. And he who doesn't give out, let our good Lord always give that person that one which will be enough for him only. So his own will be abundant in supply. All ramifications of life in Jesus' name.
Amen. Please, once more, sir, do you have any advice to some prominent men?
Like I said in my opening speech, blessed are those that give them. If you don't give, you don't receive. Bible says you should love your neighbor as you love yourself. Your neighbor is not only a member of your kindred or your immediate family member, but every other people in the downtrodden, let us remember them. You see, it's not enough to accumulate wealth. You don't even reach out to people. I mean, you see, all of these things are vanity. My prayer and advice is that they should emulate them in the cars and give out as a window to the downtrodden so that the good Lord will continue to bless them. The hand that giveth is always on top.
For sure.
That's the LCM of my prayer to them.
Thank you very much.
I salute all of you.
Thank you, sir. Please, sir, can you remember your name for us again? Your name again.
Okay, my name's Comrade Todona Namod. Mbobo Kekad of Umwes Road,
Wow, thank you, sir.
These are my names.
So, we really appreciate your coming,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
You don't have a problem.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening to you.
Sir, please, can we know your name?
Okay, my name is Prince Emmanuel Ejikeme Okafor, Deacon Abadizu Nagbe.
Deacon Abadizu. Please, Deacon Abadizu, who are you to this event?
I am the chief coordinator. Chief coordinator of this event today.
Ndoka's Foundation. That you are...
Exactly, of Ndoka Foundation.
Wow. Please, sir, do you have anything to say concerning what happened here today?
My brother, you can see things by yourself. My wife, Dr. Mrs. Chinwendo Ndoka, the president of Ndoka Foundation, residing in United States, including her husband, Dr. Clement Obiafo Ndoka. These people, this couple had passion. for these children, especially for the needies. You say things about yourself today. Everybody is happy. I can tell you, without mixing words, that today is one of my most happiest days in life.
Wow.
I am more than happy. And God will continue keeping the president of this foundation in the name of Dr. Mrs. Chinwendu Ndoka. Because without her and her lovely husband, I don't think that what you saw today here could have been possible. So, may God bless her, replenish her pockets. I thank everybody here today. I thank everybody here today.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. We really appreciate, as a coordinator, it's awesome. You coordinate everything, the program very well.
Thank you.
We say that God will also help you also.
Thank you.
So I believe that the next one that we're going to come will be more better than this one.
Thank
in
you.
Jesus' name.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. I pass it. Commissioner Emaribani Jinyani.
Onye ma ndị Igbo na-ekwu na afọ dike ebe abụ. Onye ka iji wee sị ka anyị chee n'oge ịkpatacha. So, we were now welcome Professor Kate Omenora, who Commissioner for Basic Education of Anambra State. Commissioner more no. I like Reverend Fidelis Ibezim, who manager na St. Mary's Parish, Anglican Parish. I read that you're so young in Fanyam Zelo. And I know Kevaka. I ban if also. Then the name of our quote. Open my Unibo Master. Now, so we are making no boy. Madam Onye Nanojita Yakita Nuabo, Dr. C.C. Ndoka, Honorable President of Ndoka Foundation. What's your name? The model I know you. Nde no obodo ndị ọcha na-aga agbaghị ife ịkama bụ mee ife agwara gị dị ghara ịbara nsogbu onye ka m ji wee chọọ ka m gụọ ya etu o si wee di ya ngụọ ya ka a ghara ịkụ ya mmiri ebido m from the President Ndoka Foundation. It is with great pleasure that I address you all today on this unique occasion, the debut of Ndoka Foundation. I want to begin by thanking every one of you present here to witness and support this event, the first of its kind in the town. Your very presence adds to the magnitude of this occasion. By opening this entity, Ndoka Foundation, I was simply following my inner guidance. The book, Our Spiritual Wake-Up Calls, by Harold Clamp, page 24 says, the best we can do in the highest spiritual sense is to be open to the directions of that divine spirit gives to us about how to make our daily lives better. This foundation was barely born in April of 2000. 2018 in the state of Texas, United States of America. And the motivation, most of my life, I have been preoccupied with improving the lives of people around me. Even when I had nothing, I grew up in a modest home. We struggled for survival, but God's love was very powerful in our lives. I am a product of family and community efforts. When Hillary Clinton, a former First Lady of the United States of America, says, "It takes a village to raise a child," I strongly concur. That love I received growing up is what I am returning to the community of love faith. That when you receive the blessing of God, you pass it on. Yes. This is what we are doing today. Yes. The government of this foundation spans beyond the town. It has recipients in various parts of Nigeria, including in Nnewi and Umunze. This event here today serves as our debut in Nri. This is only the beginning. There is work to be done. And with your support, we will continue to advance. When Oprah Winfrey, one of the wealthiest black women in the world, built an all-day school in South Africa to improve the quality of life of those children, she thought that was her biggest legacy. Directed by a famous African-American female poet called Maya Angelou. Maya told Oprah, "You don't understand. Your biggest legacy is every life you touched." I was totally sold into that fact. Touching lives has become my modus operandi. One does what one can. I cannot attain the heights of Oprah Winfrey, but I can at least do a little. Mother Teresa said, "If you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one." Same Mother Teresa said, "Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love." And this is what we are doing today. Education. We are striving to improve the quality of education in this town through recognition and reward for hard work for both students and teachers. We hope to identify the smartest students through this reward program. We have a vetting process to identify the needy students whose academic pursuits are handicapped by financial constraints. These will become the beneficiaries of our scholarship program. Like Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Christine Gregoire said, education is the foundation upon which we build our future. According to Albert Einstein, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. In the words of Benjamin Franklin, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. And finally, Margaret Mead, children must be taught how to think, not what to think. The central point in all these quotes is emphasis on the importance of education as the building block of a progressive society, a tool to awaken the innate creativity in our children. I implore all government officials and all lovers of education that are in this arena to render to us maximum assistance to enable us standardize the buildings and conditions of learning of these children, our children, the leaders of tomorrow. Our second big project is providing food and financial assistance to the impoverished and hungry citizens of this community and beyond. Some of you here today may be aware of similar activities already executed here and beyond within the past couple of years. Within our radar, we are following elderly widows and widowers who are no longer able to engage in any meaningful job. Young widows and widowers with very young families and are capable of toiling for survival, motherless babies, homes and orphanages in our communities. The healthcare delivery condition, especially at the health center, is in shambles. Another clinic will soon be opened at Biodo, our sister village, but it needs equipment and staffing. Security. We have a civil defense services building completed and ready for utilization, but a patrol vehicle is required before personnel can be posted to us to begin operation. Keep in mind that security or insecurity of one village trickles down to the neighboring village. Nothing stops Unduka Foundation from limiting its activities in Umuti and the Kindred or Akabisi village where I belong. I recognize, however, that we are not just members of Umuti and the Kindred, nor citizens of Akabisi village, nor citizens of the town. We are citizens of the world. If outsiders who have no biological affiliations with us, we are willing to risk their lives, fly in airplanes at night, fully aware they could be shot down by enemy fires and lose their lives, took all that risk to deliver food, medical supplies and healthcare personnel to suffering Biafrans during the Civil War, then what stops us from extending just a little more kindness to our own people? What keeps us from emulating these golden-hearted foreigners? I love to know. I wish to utilize this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to the following people for their honesty and dedication, and without whom this foundation will be rendered impotent. They oversee our affairs in different parts of the state. My sister, Reverend Sister Rona Onwa, the principal, Maria Regina Secondary School in Nebu. My sister, Mrs. Eneka Onoro, the super powerful planner and executor, Chief Emokafo Dikana Bali. He, along with the mistresses and chairman of parents and associations of all the primary schools in India, worked effusively to put together this opulent show you are witnessing today. To all of you, I doff my hat. I must acknowledge the generous input of a son of the land, Dr. Dennis Enaya from Abba and the Kindred, who resides in USA. It is my pleasure to acknowledge my husband, Dr. Clement Ngoka, and my beloved brother, Sir Ikemon Wadi, the President General of Abadan, for their moral support and encouragement. Also, great thanks to the rest of my siblings and my 4 beautiful children for their loving support. I would like to thank all the dignitaries, both physically and remotely present, for their support to our mission. To the Commissioner for Education, Chairman of ASUBEB, His Royal Highnesses, thank you for including us in your time schedule. Every person here is a dignitary in their own way. Each of you is highly appreciated. It was Henry Ford who said that the highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of man. And Winston Churchill told us, we make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. I invite you to join forces with us in our war against poverty and ignorance. Mother Teresa noted, and I quote, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. This is what we are doing today. On this note, I thank you all once again for coming. The President, Umbuka Foundation, Dr. Mrs. Chinwe Ngoka, Ayafulu.
This kind of values, Mr. Manganga, your attention is needed.
Excuse me.
Yes.
PG.
They recorded for official purposes.
Yes. Thank you.
All the prizes. Oh, my can I go you can still appreciate them. You can still appreciate the children. Oh, you are free to go and appreciate them. Oh, dear God, you